Hey, this is Shay and Ryan with the Mass Realty Group.
We're here at our listing at 92255 Alderwood Lane in Coos Bay. We're going to take you inside and show you around.
Come with us. And to start us off, you've got the living room. You've got real hardwood floors, 3/4 inch red oak.
Going into the dining room, you have marble floors and tons of natural lighting. The table has room for 10, plenty of room to host your friends and family.
Then we'll walk up here, and we've got the kitchen. Lots to unpack in here. You've got granite countertops. You've got an indoor barbecue unit. You've got butcher black countertops right here.
You've got a drawer refrigerator. You don't want to access your large refrigerator. You've got a drawer dishwasher here, 2 separate levels, a 48-inch gas range. Going into the living room, you can see it's wired for surround sound. Off of the living room, we have the bar, which has room for a pool table, games, and it's plumbed with a sink.
Yeah, and in here you've got tongue groove ceilings in here, recessed lights. You've got the bar, which stays. It's pretty sweet. And yeah, it's just got a cool vibe to it. And then we'll make our way this way. You've got a full bathroom down here. Nice porcelain floors. Lots of light in here. And then we'll make our this way, and we've actually got a sauna room.
Coming down the hallway, you've got some of the bedrooms. You have one bedroom here. This bathroom here has granite on the floors, granite on the countertops, and granite surround in the shower.
So then we'll make our way this way. We've got another bedroom. Lots of natural light, lots of windows. And yeah, you've actually got, it's plumbed for a sink.
Stepping down into here, the sellers use this as a workout room. And off of here we have another bedroom.
So you've got those 2 mirrored bedrooms right over there. And then right over here, you've got kind of a sink out here with a toilet in there and laundry. Lots of rooms for storage. And then we'll make our way upstairs where the magic happens.
We'll head into the large primary bedroom that has tons of natural light. Wake up in the morning, enjoy your view of the nature that's outside. Lots of trees, lots of greenery, beautiful landscaping out here. It's amazing.
So, and then over here, we've got your primary bathroom space with your closets to the left. You've got 3/4 inch red oak floors in here, his and her sink with granite countertops. You've got your own jetted tub, separate shower space, heated towel holder, and you've actually got your very own porcelain throne room. All right, so now we're just gonna go take a look outside. Nice landscaping.
They've really done a nice job with the landscaping, meticulously maintained. There's a sprinkler system in the...
There's 2 separate irrigation systems. One's located on this side of the house, and the other irrigation system's on the other side of the house. So over here, you actually have a trail that goes down and kind of lets you, bring whatever utility quad you want up, or, whatever you need for maintenance, really. You've got the retaining wall on the hillside back here.
Up there, you've got your holding tank and your pump house.
2,500 gallon holding tank, holds quite a bit of water. Shouldn't be running out anytime soon. Then back here, you've got a separate entrance for what the current sellers use as a sauna room. You've got the separate entrance for what could be a primary on the main, if you'd like. The irrigation system on this side. And you've actually got a pretty big shed right over here too. It's just currently being used for storage right now. So, and then you've got the single car garage door right over there.
This door here takes you back into the laundry area, the workout room, and the 2 other bedrooms that are on the main level.
So, and you actually have a ton of room for parking right up here. All paved. Pretty reasonably flat space up here. So, and then down here, you've actually got a really nice entertaining area. You've got the gazebo that's staying. You've got a 6-person hot tub. You've got a water spigot over there. A nice waterfall feature right behind you. And then you can hang out with all of your friends and overlook the rest of the property. So that's the tour at 92255 Alderwood Lane. And
thank you for tuning in. See you later.